What time is it?
It's science time!
We're talking inertia. That's right. Things in motion stay in motion, and things at rest stay at rest unless acted upon by an outside force. And I have one exciting experiment for us to try right now. Grab some water and put it into a cup. Take a plate, put it onto the cup. I have a plastic plate. I have a toilet paper roll, and I'm going to place an egg on top of it. This is our egg tower. It's a system, and it's sitting there, and it's not going to ever do anything unless something acts on it. So what should we do? I think we should try to hit this plate out from underneath that egg. And let's see if it works. All right, here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Yes, it worked. So what happened? It's all about inertia. That egg wants to sit on top of that toilet paper roll until, well, we move things out from underneath it. I think we should try this again, but I think we should try it with more cups. What do you think? All right, get everything lined up really nicely. 1, 2, 3 eggs. All right, here we go. Make sure they're lined up. Everything looks good. In 3, 2, 1. It worked. It worked. I think we should try with taller tubes. I've got paper towel rolls. We have it set up, and now we're gonna try this again. I'm nervous about this one. All right, we're gonna apply that horizontal force right here, which hopefully kicks out this lunch tray, kicking out the tubes, and allows the eggs to fall straight down like they've been doing. In 3, 2, 1. Oh, well. Sometimes, kind of cracks you up. That's okay. No more yoking around. We need to get to inertia. Thanks for being part of our crew today and checking out this short clip from DIY Science Time. If you like this clip and you want to see more exciting science, check out the full versions right here on the channel. Be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more exciting DIY Science Time.